Today, hi, this is Nathan Learns with Lego, and today I've got a repeller thingy, and I'm just gonna tell you a bit about it in this video, because it's not gonna be a long one. Can you see how they always spin the different way and meet up in the same point? And one never meets this one, this never meets this one, and this one never meets this one. But to actually turn it, you just turn that. And so, this gear here, if I bring it a bit closer, you can see that this small gear here, this gear here, that connects into this on that side. But this one connects to this gear on that side. And that's what makes them spin a different way. Now, I don't think this is used in real helicopters, but this is what I've done today. And yeah, that's what it is. Bye. See you in the next video. Oh, wait. I've got a goal, and it's to get 50 or 100 subscribes.